Yo guys, what is up? Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing well and a very good morning to you all. So today is a great day because today we are going to start teaching the new scalping strategy. So if you want to join in, because we are going to be doing all the teachings live, make sure to join the VIP community. You can join through the link in the description down below. Furthermore, make sure to just join the free Discord, as there's tons of value shared over there. So without further ado, let's dive into this video and see what is going on. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index is currently breaking above this area of resistance, and it is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. Going into the weekly very quickly, we can see is that the weekly is looking extremely bullish as well. Let's see if we can get this weekly bullish close. It does seem like that. Maybe then see a pullback in towards the beginning of next week before upside continuation in towards those areas of supply at around 97 or 96.5, excuse me, and above. So yeah, dollar index just looking bullish. Can't really say that much more because there is not that much structure. Wouldn't be surprised if we do, of course, see a pullback very soon after such a large move in towards the highs. But if we just look, excuse me, at the overall structure, what we of course can see is that we had swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and now we have created a new higher high. So the dollar is in a very strong uptrend, of course, all the way since down below over here we've been seeing that uptrend, but just mapping out current structure, very obvious higher highs, higher lows overall. So now we have formed a new higher high. Let's see when we form a new lower low, or higher low, excuse me, because of course the next step is forming that higher low. And yeah, we're going to try and catch that higher low once it is formed. I would love to see a pullback in towards this area over here, this consolidation area, before seeing a further push up. When are we going to pull back? I do not know, because there's not a lot of structure to our left, but it is something I'm going to be catching or keeping an eye on. So yeah, that's the dollar, pretty clear I think. So let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar overall, as you guys know, I mentioned yesterday that we had some demand over here. Currently seems like we faked out on the lows of that area of demand. Currently pushing up higher once again. Not a big fan of the overall structure here. Again, of course, the reason why we're also reacting to this area within the market is also because it is a 618 fib retracement approximately. So yeah, we could see a bullish daily close today. I would love for us to just push down lower in towards this area of demand. But let's wait and see. Yeah, it is a waiting game. Not really clear structure on the higher time frame, in the sense that I do not know if we have or when we are going to reverse, because over here we do not have very clear areas of demand. This is my clear area of demand, hence why I'm only going to be taking longer term longs once we reach that area. So then what we can do, of course, is diving towards the 4 hour. Just looking overall at the 4 hour, I would love to see a pullback in towards this area over here. Who knows, we might see the dollar pullback. That could mean that Aussie dollar is going to pump up in towards that area. Yeah, that is my favorite area to go short from. Possibly we're also going to be seeing a reaction from over here, but this is the high probability area of supply. So for me, it's just a waiting game until we tap in towards that area of supply before looking for further downside continuation. So yeah, let's see guys, that is it approximately for Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. So euro dollar extremely bearish at the moment. So all time frames are bearish essentially. Looking at the daily overall, what we can see is that we have been moving impulsively down towards that 1.13 level of support. So I'm still essentially just going to be waiting for that level to get hit. We do have, I think it was some imbalance. Yeah, we do have some imbalance over here. Did we react to that? Yeah, we have been reacting to it. I mentioned this in yesterday's video. So yeah, we could see a pullback on euro dollar back up higher, in accordance with that dollar pullback in towards the lows as well. If we see a pullback higher, then I will be looking for potential shorts from this region over here. So that's approximately 1.15600. So yeah, but that's only if we pull back. If we do tank down lower, I will not be looking for trades until we reach approximately 1.13. So let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is also still bearish. Looking at the 4 hour overall, not much to be said in my opinion. I don't really like looking back that much, excuse me. Looking at overall structure, we have some strong supply located over here. So I would love for us to take a potential short once price pulls back in towards that region over there. Looking at overall structure over here, we had that perfect 618, of course. And now we would love to see another push back in towards that 786 fib, where also 4-hour demand lies. Also looking at the daily, we also have daily supply over there located. So that would be a very nice area to go short. This area of supply broke this low over here, hence why this is valid supply for me personally. So yeah, pretty clear, I think, on pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar just missed the zone where I was kind of looking at. What we can see is that we reversed from 0.7 exactly, so strong psychological level. Currently, Kiwi dollar is bullish. If we look at the overall structure, of course, just mapping out structure over here for you guys. Now what we want to see, of course, is when is that higher low going to be formed. So let's look at the 4-hour. Nothing really clear. Haven't also been reacting to anything. I think it's just a reversal from that 0.7 level, which is psychological level. So what we might see is, of course, a pullback up higher depending on the dollar index, and then potentially one more push lower in towards some more demand over here before seeing a further push up. But yeah, if you want to take longs, you could look for potential longs on the lower time frame. However, there is not a very clear structure for me. However, 1 hour seems to be breaking some structure over here. Let's see if we can break structure. But yeah, clear demand has clear demand. Yeah. So clear demand potentially over here. So let's say we do start pushing up higher, wait for a pullback, then you could see a push up higher once again. But yeah, I would prefer, of course, a push a little bit lower still in towards that area of higher time frame demand. So let's head over to gold. And gold is, at resistance. What can I say? It's at daily supply. Could pull back, could still move up higher. Not a very clear pair at the moment, in the sense that, there's not a very clear structure. Of course, over here we had an obvious downtrend, then change of character. We broke this high over here. We became bullish on all time frames once again. Looking at the daily, we were already bullish, but looking at the 4-hour, we became bullish over here. And now, we've got this massive overextended move in towards the highs. So for me, it is, of course, a question. Okay, well, when are we going to see a sustainable pullback? Because, of course, we know from gold that gold can make those massive rallies, but gold also likes to consolidate at a certain point in time after very large moves. You see that overall, right? So we see that over here. Massive move, consolidation, massive move, and then consolidation, with a trend reversal / pullback following. Over here as well, big moves, consolidation everywhere essentially. So for me, it's just waiting for that pullback. Could happen from here. We have a lot of demand located over here. That's why the market has also been slowing down a bit since yesterday. So let's see if we can see a pullback very soon back down in towards 1794 approximately. So that's it for today, guys. A lot of information. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to join the free Discord, link in the description down below. Wish you all a fantastic day. If you have any questions whatsoever, just reach out to me. I am always here for you guys. Man, if you guys have any video suggestions as well, just let me know. I am more than happy to start creating some new videos once again. Lots of love, and speak to you all very soon. Thanks, guys.